नित्यानन्देश्वरसमारम्भाम् नित्यानन्देश्वरिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. I welcome you all with my love and respects. I welcome all the devotees, disciples, Sarvangyapeta Yajamans, Samajis, Satsangis, Shri Mahants, Mahants, Kotaris, Tanedars, Inner Awakening participants, devotees, disciples, visitors, viewers, everyone sitting with us all over the world through Nityananda TV, Facebook Live, YouTube Live and two-way video conferencing having Nayana Diksha. I wanted to expand today on one of the most important sacred truths in Third Eye Awakening and experiencing Sadashivoham. Integrity not only in relation between you and things outside you, even internally, the integrity internally. I'll tell you one small incident. My Guru, Yogananda Puri, listen carefully. He never wanted me to call himself as Guru. He told me, never ever tell I am a Guru, I am your Guru later on. I only recognized you and supported you. That's the reason It is my pride in your mission. You are having me as a part. This exact word I remember. Once, one of his son and another one disciple, his disciple. He had many disciples who come to learn yoga from him. Both of them decided to hospitalize him, saying he is not feeling well, he is sick. And I was sitting away and seeing the whole drama. Little far I was sitting. I still remember the scene. He just got up from the bed. He was lying and got up from the bed. From the navel, the way he hugged his own body, means the way he possessed his own body, and said, what I cannot do to my body, how can these doctor fellows can do to me? Listen, it was such powerful statement. I literally got the click at that moment. Oh God, so many things which cannot be expressed verbally landed in me. Like my consciousness is master of my body and it has a capacity to build the body as I want. It only built the body already. How can any other power can be more powerful than my consciousness? And I wanted to put this on record. He shocked doctors by making 47 heart attacks in the ECG machine. When he was hooked to the ECG machine, playfully, he will stop the heart for 5-6 minutes. The ECG machine will be showing flat graph and then he will start. One fortunate thing, still they have the records. I am trying to get the whole documentation. I only got the essence. Doctors are shocked actually. They said, nothing can be done. You are beyond medical science. Please go back to home. They sent him back to home. And then he came and again laid down in the home. Both the son and the disciple both were trying to argue with him. If you are beyond medical science, then why don't you be healthy? Why are you lying all the time? Means lying in the bed resting. He said, I have decided my mission has been done. Actually, all my 3 gurus left the body within 3 months' time. The moment they saw I am ready, they don't need to be supporting me anymore. Now it is time that I have to be on my own. I have to leave Tiruvannamalai. All 3 of them left the body within 3 months. They had a meeting and they called me and said, don't expect us to be in the body anymore. And I really did not take them seriously. I thought maybe they want to go for Parivrajaka Yatra or some temple tour or Yatra. But within 3 months, all 3 left the body. So, when the son and disciple, both of them were asking, why are you then lying in the bed all the time? He told them directly, hey, I am not sick. I have decided to leave the body. So I am resting. I am withdrawing from my prana. I am releasing my prana. You can neither hospitalize him, because if you hospitalize him, he makes 47 heart attacks. He gives heart attacks to doctors. They have to check the ECG machine 2-3 times, whether it is working or not. The way he got up and possessed his body, still I remember. Even if I remember that scene, it gives me the click. Yes. Hey, my body, my consciousness created it. My consciousness is designing it. My consciousness is maintaining it. Who else can do anything better than what I can do to myself? It becomes such a strong integrity in me. Listen to the word I am uttering. It becomes such a strong integrity in me. Whenever I remember that, I know my body is in my control. My body is in my control. 2 days before, I was telling one of my balasant, hey, tell your body to grow tall. Just when you sit for the Akashic records, the space you fall in, that's actually the pure Sadashivoham space. Yesterday I was hearing many people who came to read their Akashic records, they say, one, what the response and answer we got is amazing. Second, even going there and reading the Akashic records opened up our Ananda Gandha, and the whole space was a different experience altogether. So I told, the kids were actually telling, Swamiji, the moment we sit for the Akashic reading, it becomes suddenly we are disconnected and somebody else, some other power is radiating through us. And it's such a tremendous joy and bliss. I tell you, that's a space of Sadashivoham. I told the Balasanta, when you are in that space, tell your body, grow tall and chisel your body as you want. 6-pack, 8-pack, 18-inch biceps, whatever you want. Tuck, 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 tuck. Just chisel. You can Photoshop your body. That's all it takes. It's possible. You'll see I'll manifest it through my balasans and show you guys. Integrity even within the system. Integrity with your intra organs. Integrity with your internal organs. Listen, internal organ means intestine, liver, kidney, heart, lungs. Intra organ means third eye, walk, third ear. No third ear. That is one fool tried to discover or invent. Intra organ means third eye, walk, all these are intra organ. Internal organs means liver, kidney, intestine, lungs, heart, all this. Integrity with your intra organ and internal organ. I told my balasans, you have to be highly integrated to the Akashic records appearing. No fear, no greed. You can't tell somebody that get some money or get some things because they are completely in the space of listening to you. No. Nothing. You cannot ask anything. You cannot tell anything because they are in the space of listening with you. No. You have to be completely integrated to the Akashic records. What is seen as golden letters, only that should be read out. And if the Akashic records appears as do this, do that, don't even have the fear to tell that person. Don't worry, don't bother what that person will think. No. We don't care about what you think. We care about only what Kala Bhairava thinks. I told them, be highly integrated to Kala Bhairava. No fear, no greed. You can neither ask something nor leave, omit some information which is appearing in front of your eyes. I said, you can't even ask people to attend programs unless it appears in the Akashic records. It will actually appear in golden letter, shining golden letter in the dark background. Not black, dark. Black is two-dimensional darkness. Darkness is three-dimensional black. In the darkness, that is what is Kali. Kali means in Sanskrit darkness. The 11-dimensional darkness is Kali. So whatever appears on Kali, you just have to read out. In golden shining color, the letters will appear. You have to just read out. You can neither add nor delete. No fear and no greed. High integrity. Only then continue to receive, read out higher frequency records. Now actually they are reading out your past, present, future, whatever questions you are asking. But the information available to them, scientists can come and use. I invite scientists to come and clarify your doubts, questions. People in the field of medicine can come and clarify your doubts, questions. People in the field of solving the crimes can come and use this knowledge available to solve the crimes Understand the mystery behind the crimes? Understand? It's not joke. I am responsible for what I am talking. I am responsible for what they are uttering. I know the authenticity of the power manifesting through them, and I know their integrity. All this, what I am saying, you guys will see as a reality. People from various fields all over the world coming and sitting and listening to Akashic records. Not only human beings, including Siddhas Rishis. Siddhas, Rishis, Munis, Gandharvas. Just in the zoom camera, the question will appear, voice will be heard, and the form will not be seen by all of you. Of course, the kid who reads the Akashic records, he will be able to see. You will see Siddhas, Munis, Rishis, Ganas, Kinnara, Kimburuda, Gandharva, Gandhara, all of them coming to get their Akashic records read out. Whatever I start in the beginning, it used to be very small. It will look always very small. When I started my first class, 2.5 people were attending. You may ask, what is 2.5? 3 were sitting and 1 was all at the time sleeping. So I calculate that as 2.5. Understand? So now you are seeing hardly dozen kids, or little more than a dozen, sitting and doing the Akashic reading. Very soon there will be at least 1,000 Balasans sitting every morning reading Akashic records of 2 lakh people all over the world. You will see this happening because the authenticity is going to spread very soon left and right. And also one more thing, you can go and put the same question with the 10 different Balasans at 10 different days or time. They will read out exact verbatim same answer. There will not be any confusion in the answer. That is the scale to measure the authenticity of the records, or their ability to read the records, because of the integrity with intra-organ and internal organ. Not only you manifest health, you can design your body as you want, you can manifest multiple powers and possibilities. I tell you, even if you do little completion, you can understand what I said. When Yogananda Puri got up and said, my body, how can they do something which I cannot do it to this body by myself? Contemplate on this. Contemplate on this. Then you will understand why Balasans are able to manifest so much of power. I tell you, it is all simple. You don't need to build power station. You just need to be connected with a proper copper wire. That is called integrity. That's all. Power station is here. Eternal atomic power station. You don't need to. You always felt all this Sadashivoham or the spiritual enlightenment, everything was very difficult because you are planning for building a power station which you don't need. I did it already. You just need connection. Integrity is the connection. தங்கத் தகட்டாலே தம்புரான் சிலை செய்து அங்கம் வழுக்க ஞானாஞ்சனம் தடவி வைத்து செப்பிய வார்த்தையெல்லாம் செப்பல்ல தங்கமடி ஞான பெண்ணே. I'll give you a little detail when I say what do I mean by integrity to your internal organs and intra organs. When I say integrity to your internal organs, feel all the time you own them. You own them. So whenever there is a food taken which puts you in depression, low mood, do not eat that food again. When there is a action done by you which disturbs that internal organs, don't do that again. It may be as simple as smoking, or as difficult as heroin. It can be as simple as smoking to as complicated as heroin. Whatever. Anything which is putting you powerless space, don't do that again. That is what is integrity to your internal organs. Same way, when you utter a lie knowingly, or when you give a word knowingly that you are not going to fulfill, the harm you cause for your walk, you can see it very clearly. Don't do that again. Sit and finish completing all the past. No need to have a lifestyle where you are hurting your walk and internal organs. No need. You don't have to take up that kind of a profession. Knowingly. There are tons of professions where you can do sweet things, make money, live your life happily, blissfully, be out of the matrix. There are thousands of things you can do it without harming your walk, harming your intra organs. Anandagandha. Integrity to the internal organs and intra organs. For example, if you eat non-veg, you feel dull, tired, heavy. Then decide, I am going to complete with this pattern. What is it that pulls me to eat non-veg? Is that the food, the way it is presented, or the tongue, the experience of the tongue when I am chewing? What is it? Find that pattern and complete. In one tantra, I think Mahanirvana, there is a very beautiful explanation. A rishi asked Sadashiva, what is the root cause or the root pattern of the sexual desire? He says, appreciation of symmetry. Appreciation towards something symmetrical or beautiful is the root pattern from where your idea of sex starts. If you complete with that pattern and be integrated to that, suddenly you will see sex become irrelevant to you. You may think, how? Start contemplating, digging deep. All your sexual interest is nothing but appreciation of the beauty. Beauty is nothing but symmetry. It boils down to just this one understanding. Of course, when I read, even I was, what? When I did the postmortem of few human minds, I saw, yes, is right as usual. He is right as usual is surrender. With whoever you feel this, he is right as usual, again, that is surrender. If you feel that with your Guru, you have surrendered to your Guru. If you feel that with Sadashiva, you have surrendered to Sadashiva. Whenever you feel, oh, he is right as usual, once more. How many times I may run away, I may move out, I may try to create all opposite arguments with my great twisted, perverted logic. No, the very word should be uttered with enough of twist and perversion. So you remember, not only linguistically, phonetically. Twisted, perverted, logic. When I did the postmortem, he is right. Integrity to the internal organs and intra-organs also, not just with the commitments and happenings of the external space. Listen. Integrity with internal organs and intra-organs also. For example, one day, if you wake up in Brahma Muhurta and go for yoga, whole day you feel so alive. Then do that. That is what is integrity. You want somebody to come and beat you and pour cold water on you and drag you to the yoga hall? When you eat food from Sadashiva's kitchen, as per his Bhaga Shastra, all of you should know, even the pickle you are having here is done as per his instruction. Science of pickle to science of Sadashivoham. Everything from him. And few places, wherever we are not yet, we are continuously, sincerely working with all our integrity to Sadashiva to align ourselves. Because our lifestyle has gone so much away from it, much is lost. So those lost things we need to revive. Those revival also, we are very highly committed and integrated to Sadashiva to revive letter and spirit of his words. When the integrity to internal organs and intra-organs becomes a practice, understand, even if you start practicing, so much good will happen to you. So much good. Now the line I read out few minutes before, Tamil 4 line, it is just Akashic records, about the Akashic records which kids are doing. தங்கத் தகட்டினிலே தம்புரான் மேனி செய்து அங்கம் வழுத்திடவே ஞானாஞ்சனன் தடவி வைத்து செப்பிய வார்த்தையெல்லாம் செப்பல்ல தங்கமடி ஞானப் பெண்ணே. It means in the gold sheet, making the form of the Sadashiva and ripening your body with the integrity to the internal organ and intra-organ and applying the Jnananjana. With that, whatever words they utter is not copper, it is gold. தங்கத்தகட்டினிலே தம்புரான் மேனி செய்து அங்கம் வழுத்திடவே ஞானாஞ்சனம் பூசி செப்பும் வார்த்தையெல்லாம் செப்பல்ல ஞானமடி செப்பல்ல தங்கமடி ஞானப்பெண்ணே. Bring integrity even with your internal organ and intra-organ. When you use food with certain chemicals and you don't feel comfortable, stop it. When you go for natural, organic and you feel happy about it, have it. That is what is all about integrity. Own yourself and be master of yourself. That is one of the most powerful completion. Today all the IA participants, whatever questions you have about this subject, I am opening. Completion with your internal organ, intra-organ, completion with yourself. You put all the questions, I will answer and I will upload this video in YouTube. All the satsangis can watch and enjoy. The first session I will answer all your questions on this completion, integrity with yourself. Actually, only if you have a completion you can be integrated. Only if you practice integrity, completion is useful. Whatever is not letting you be integrated, completing that is completion. With this, I bless you all. Let you all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing, living Shuddhadvaita Saivam, the eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you. Be blissful.